from Gujarat for this event. Thank you Royal Enfield.
And बादल बख्शी सर, इनका जवाब नहीं है. जिस दिन से बाइक लिए इन्होंने अपना रेड बुल लिया.
And ready number 3, 2.
जो है सारी आ चुकी हैं और सब अलग अलग तरह की मॉडिफिकेशन है यहाँ पर. बहुत ही अल्टीमेट. खाता हूँ आपको एक बारी देखिए.
So please, I mean, you'll definitely.
सबको मिल गए. थैंक यू. गुड मिल गई है. कम मिला है और गुडीज मिल गई है. और इसके बाद एक बार पीछे देखिए.
When was Super Meteor 650 first released? First, you have to tell me the date. I have the date. 24. No, it's incorrect. Yeah, 23, 24. Isn't it? Like, come on. The date and the year. So, the month and the year. Month. Oh, that's Pari. Punjabiyan is Shan Wakri. He is bang on. I was trying to simplify it. It is absolutely correct. Did you just Google it? No. Where is the phone? Alright, ladies and
Still
gentlemen.
expect 2 more to come.
Do we have that much space? I think.
We'll manage.
Think they might push each other.
We'll manage. We really want to raise the excitement.
You put it? Okay.
How
it is
about
open to
one
ladies as
lady
well.
join in?
Come on.
Can we have a lady who would like to join in? Come on.
Lil,
Come on,
just
ma'am,
a
on the
little bit.
stage. It's not about the number, it's about the timing.
It's about the last person.
The last person wins the game, doesn't matter.
But yeah, the positions need to be correct. We have judges.
Yes,
Aksha.
absolutely.
One, let's go.
Ready? And we are ready on the count of 3, 2, 1. Here we go! Go for it, guys! Go for it!
Whom are you betting on? Whom are you betting on?
A few moments later.
Lakshit, come on, shabash.
You are getting applaud them, please applaud them. All right, where's the cameraman? Oh, I think he'll get enough. He'll get a handshake from me.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
What do you
I think we have a really big heart. We'll give them as well.
All right. So now we're going to have a cake cutting ceremony.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, everyone, for being there. Give it up for yourself. Give it up for yourself once again.
Heard about the question as well. We launched Super Meteor in 16th January 2023. In a short span of time, we have been selling Super Meteor across 65 countries. I feel proud to say that we have more than 67,000 Super Meteor owners riding the motorcycle across the globe.
At the occasion. So I would like to call the youngest rider over here. Youngest. We know the assignment. Last time, youngest. Can I have another youngest boy? Can I have the youngest guy? Who else is youngest? Who else is youngest? We have got one youngest. He's just coming up. Please have a nice look at him. If you think you're younger than him, we can always have you.
You are up next.
So we have got the youngest. Another one. Can I have a competition? Please be on stage. Please be on stage. If you consider you're younger, please come. Please.
Come on, you guys.
Another young lady has came. Yes.
I hope you all are knowing it. We are witnessing a very fantastic guy, Colonel Bakshi sir. And Colonel Bakshi sir, इनका जवाब नहीं है. जिस दिन से बाइक लिए इन्होंने अपना रेड बुल लिया है, उस दिन से इनके पैर जमीन पे रुकते नहीं हैं. He has done Kaza, he has done Spiti, he has done all the mountain ranges in his life within 3 years, and that's a greatest, achievement I can say. And he is a war veteran as well. So जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए.
Sir, would you like to add something to that?
I would just like to say thank you, Royal Enfield, for the excellent machine that they have provided. It's a stunner, it's a looker, it's a crowd puller, and it gives me so much confidence every time I put the key and take my bike. That's all I have to say. I think no more words are required. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And what about the lady, if you would like to add something?
I'm 50 and really अभी शुरू की है और रॉयल एनफील्ड की वजह से, नहीं तो शायद कभी नहीं चलाती.
Thank you so much. Please, sir.
All right, so we all will get down here.
सारे ने सारे इसी जहाज पे खाते हैं. Hats off to you.
All right, everyone, let's gather over here so that we can have the cake cutting ceremony. Requesting everyone to please be here.
Everybody, please join.
Boys at the back.
Please join in near the table.
Can I have you all?
Everybody here near the cake.
Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
No, we're not celebrating. Shell, all right, on the count of 3, 2, 1. Congratulations on completing the 3 successful years. Come on, Super Meteor 650. Happy anniversary to all.
जो आज की राइड है वो बहुत ही फन राइड थी, बेसिकली थ्रिलिंग राइड, जो कि बारिश, तूफान और बिल्कुल बिजली कड़क रही है और ओले पड़ रहे हैं, और फिर भी लोग राइडर तो बिल्कुल नॉन स्टेबल, बिल्कुल दिल्ली से लेके यहाँ तक बिल्कुल अप्रॉक्स 150 किलोमीटर कंटिन्यू बिना रोके पहुँचे हैं और बिल्कुल बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत मज़ा. और मैं बता नहीं सकता, अगर आप इस राइड को करते तो बहुत मज़ा आता, और जिन्होंने किया होगा वो फील कर सकते हैं, बहुत ही अल्टीमेट. और आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा आप कमेंट करके हमें बता सकते हैं, और लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को.
रेडी हो अगले बड़े एडवेंचर के लिए? ट्रैवल मोटो के साथ रोड ट्रिप मोड ऑन है.